Hi, Patrick from Quantum, and we're going to talk about the most frequently asked questions again. One of them being, what happens to my damper when it's rebuilt? We recommend when you return the damper to us that you strip the spring and all its associated hardware and return it in its base form like this. When it comes here, it's cleaned extensively on the outside and then it's stripped into its component form. When the damper's in component form, all the parts are ultrasonically cleaned. Then they're carefully inspected for any wear and tear, the most crucial one being the internal surfaces of the body, where the floating piston sits. Also the condition of the piston, where the shim stacks sit on the face. This can affect performance quite badly. Reliability wise, the pressure seal and the wiper seal are always changed, and the housings are checked for condition. The damper rod itself is checked for condition, that there aren't any sharp edges or anything that'll damage the seals. Once this is done, all the seals are replaced with new ones, then the damper is carefully reassembled and it's ready to go on the dyno. During this process, the damper is checked that it equals its as-new performance. Also, the dynographs are produced and returned with the dampers. I've covered the basic points of the rebuild. If you'd like to discuss it in more detail, please contact me. For pricing, go to the service page on the website. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.